If you have been looking for ways you can start working from home and you're looking for a remote work you can tag with your 9 to 5 work and you can start making an extra income online, and maybe you are a student, you're looking for side also you can start doing, you are a stay at home mom, graduate, or someone who is looking for ways you can make money online. In this video right here, I'm going to be sharing with you a platform where you can get remote jobs you can start doing, and this does not matter if you are a graduate, you don't have to worry about any qualification or any bachelor degree. Now these jobs you can do them from anywhere in the world, so it's no location barrier based. I'll be sharing with you the platforms and how you can search for these jobs and how you can get any job of your choice and start working remotely from the comfort of your bedroom. I'll take you to my screen right now, sharing everything with you. But before we do that, if you are returning subscribers, you're welcome back to the community. And if you are seeing me for the first time and you are new in this channel, you're welcome home. My name is Norma Evans, and in this community we share videos around ways you can increase your productivity, related tech videos, and simplest and easiest ways you can start making money through the internet. So join this community right now by going down there and smashing that subscribe button, and make sure you turn all bell notifications so that you never miss out from the premium amazing videos every week. And as you are doing that, don't forget to give it a like. Thanks in advance. Now with all this said, I'll take you to my screen right now, sharing with you how you can make this happen right away. So let's go. So guys, now you can get any job remotely from the comfort of your home, and you can start working right now if you are really deliberate about making money online. Now this very platform I'm about to review to you give you job, any job at all. Now if you are good with video editing, if you are good with copywriting, you are a marketer, you are a teacher, mass English teacher, whatever you do at all, now you can bring your skills to this platform and you can see companies that are looking for these skills or these people, and they are hiring them and they are paying them handsomely, even per hour. Some even pay per contract. Now as you can see right here, this is the website, and they have over 143 companies on this website which are looking for people to give jobs to. As you can see right here, this is over 146 companies, and these are the companies right here. All right, these are the companies, and you can also just come over to this very place and to see all the companies which are hiring people on this very platform. Right now, these are the most recent jobs right now on this very platform. You can see these are the most recent jobs. Now they are hiring recruiter and HRO jobs, right? Human resources and generalist, right? This was posted 3 hours ago. Now this is an online editing job, which is like a video editor. As you can see, trending news staff editor, and it was posted 4 hours ago. As you can see right here, remote customer service, right? Copywriter, online teaching jobs. You are good at teaching, right? You can start monetizing your skills right here. Even if you have a 9 to 5 job or you are a teacher already, you can also be a teacher virtually. As you can see, visual teacher chemistry. Now if you are a chemistry teacher, you can also start using this as a side income even if you have a teaching job already. And remote design jobs, if you are a graphic design, you can start monetizing your skills here. All right, remote healthcare jobs, remote marketing jobs, remote sales job, remote project manager, remote other remote jobs. And you can even come over to this, see all remote jobs and explore all the categories. All right, now let's imagine we want to apply for a job, right? And you are a video editor or you are good with editing videos and you want to look for editing jobs you can do. What you have to do is to come over to this very place, this online editing job. You are going to click on it right now, then we are going to access the editing jobs on this very platform. As you can see right now, this is online editing job. As you can see right here, they find the best online editing jobs here. Now if you come over to this very place right now, you can come here and search for keywords, search for companies, search for the names, and search for any skills you want to do. And if you check down here, these are remote jobs which are on this platform. We have accounting, customer care, marketing, project manager, data entry, design, developer. Right here, as you can see right now, this is on editing, right? These are editing jobs available on this platform. You can see right now, video editor. Now this right here is the company which is employing this video editor. The company name is Mobust, and is a full-time, and they need a full-time video editor, and it's work and it's internationally, right? And this other here right now, they need a blog editor, all right? And the company name is Fluent U, and is on entry level internationally, and is on part-time. This one right here is on part-time. That means you can be toggling 3 jobs at the same time, even doing this one. Right here again, they need a video editor, Fluent U, entry level, internationally, and this part time. Now I also scroll down, you are going to be accessing so many jobs right here. What you are going to do is very simple. You are going to scan through all these jobs, look for the one that resonates with what you do or the one you can do best. You can go ahead and apply for them. And my advice is that you don't have to apply for one jobs. You can apply for as many jobs as possible. Just go over and start submitting your CV with them, or submit your portfolio with them and apply for the jobs. And believe me, if you can apply for at least 10 jobs or 5 jobs in this very platform, at least one of them or two of them are going to approve your request, and you can start working remotely from the comfort of your home, doing what you love. So guys, this works for all category, not just video editing. Now maybe you are a copywriter, you are a teacher, all right, you can also apply for jobs right here. Now let's access copywriting right here. Now if you come to copywriting right here, you can see right here, these are remote writing jobs. Now if you can see, this is a copywriter right now, and this company is Stitch Fix, and they are looking for a full-time copywriter, and it's very high paying. This right here is a senior researcher associate, writer assurance, Ned Wallet, right? Creative copywriting, senior technical writing, media writing, copywriting, and the company is Copic Software. And they need a full-time copywriter, which is internationally, staff writer, and all of that. Not just copywriting alone. If you are a teacher right here, these are online teaching jobs, as you can see, visual teacher, chemistry, and the company is Edmetium, right? Expert tutor in physics, all right, and the company is Livingstone Research. So guys, let's come back to video editing. Right now, let's imagine we are a video editor and we are going to apply for a job right here. And before we dive deep into this video, guys, if you know you are finding value so far from this video, please do me a favor by giving this video a like. It's very important. Thanks. Go down there right now and smash on that thumbs up button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel and joined this community, go down there and subscribe and join this very amazing community, and you are going to be glad you did so, because I drop weekly amazing content on this very channel you don't want to miss out. Right now, with this said, let's dive deep into this video. Now let's imagine we want to apply for a job right here. Let's imagine we want to apply for a job of a video editor on this very company, which is called Mobust, a full-time and international video editor. All we are going to do is very simple. We're going to go ahead and click on it right now by applying for this. So once we click on it right now, we're going to be landing in this very place. As you can see, video editor at Mobust. The location is Israel, and it was posted 8 hours ago. Now this is the company logo, right? Now this right here is the description of what they are looking for. As you can see, video editor. Mobust is a global mobile and digital marketing agency that helps companies grow their business. The best world most prestigious brand and startups such as Google, Samsung, Dropbox, Discovery, and Uber. So, right, we are looking for a video editor to edit our exceptional out of the box videos. And right here down here, this is the job description. Edit videos to targeted lengths and specifications. Handle and organize raw and edited videos file. Export videos and facilitate mobile and web distribution. Right now, this is the requirement of the job. 4 years of video editing and post-production experience. All right, proficient in various non-linear video editing tools and other software. All right, you can go here right now to apply for jobs, and you can apply for this job. Now you must not be able to meet all these requirements, right? If you are good with what you do and you are very good, you don't have to have 4 years experience, you don't have to have 3 years experience, right? If you are really good and you know that you are fit for this job and you can apply and you can deliver what they want in this job, go ahead and apply for it. So if you click on this apply button right here, you're going to be landing in this very place, right, where you can apply for the job. Now we're going to click on apply for position, and we're going to fill out the form, and we're going to upload our portfolio and our job experience, right? So guys, let's move down back to the home page. Now it's of your best option to sign up an account with this very platform, so to receive any job notification and any job entry on this very platform. Now every single day, companies and brands come to this very platform to post jobs on this very platform. Now if you are able to sign up an account with them, they are going to be updating you on any new job alert on this platform, right? It's very important. Now if you want to sign up an account, it's very simple. You come over to this very place right here, you click on this hamburger icon, you are going to see sign up for image job alert. You are going to click on it, and we are going to go to the next step of creating an account with them. Receive the latest jobs from our selected categories up to once in a day. Come over here right now. Can you just go ahead and put in your Gmail right here? You put in your Gmail right here. Then you're going to select the job categories you want to be receiving email notification on. I'm going to click on editing, design, visual assistant, and you can select the type of job you want. If it's full-time or part-time, we're going to go for part-time, all right, and international jobs, because we want to be working remotely. Make sure this one is tick, is very important, and you click on sign up right here. So now we just sign up an account with them. As you can see, thank you for signing up. We are going to receive an email notification telling us to confirm our account. So that's just very simple. Just click on the link, confirm your account, and you are going to be receiving job alerts from this platform. Now you want to be on the safe side and you don't want to place your eggs on one basket. Now you want to have as many job opportunities as possible. Now I've created a video somewhere some weeks ago, and this one is majorly based and heavily based on Africa, or you can even see the video in the end screen of this very video. On that very place, you have access to remote jobs from Africa you can do from the comfort of your home. So you don't want to lay your heads in one basket. And all the links I mentioned in this video will be linked down in the description of this video. So go ahead right now and explore this platform. So guys, I believe you find value from this video. If you do find value, make sure you give this video a like, and you can share this to your friends and family. You know this will be helpful to them. There are people out there who need to get this information and start utilizing it and start working from home. Share it with them and they are going to thank you for it. So with that said, if you have any questions, any complaints, any challenges, any issues at all, or any suggestion, make sure you drop them in the comment section and I'm going to reply to you immediately. Now if you want to start a business in the internet, I've created a dedicated playlist showing you how you can start your online business in the internet. Click here right now to access that video, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Peace out. I got nightmares in my